Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 8U. This is the first generation Audi Q3 and I'm going to show you how to check the engine code over the instrument cluster. So we have the engine turned off, but the ignition is turned on, and we have our normal operation mode over here. You can see that there's a reminder about the low fluid in the washer system. So if there are some reminders, just press something over here to skip them, so you are in this view, in this standard menu. Of course, you can check engine codes in many different ways. You can check it on the equipment stickers somewhere in the trunk. You can check with a diagnostic interface like OBDeleven or VCDS by looking at the identification of the engine control module. You can look for the markings on the engine itself, but also you can use the hidden menu in the instrument cluster. So right now let's press this. Let's go to computer, so the view looks like this, and we have our total mileage over here. And right now over here we have this button to reset your daily trip meter. So press and hold it. You can see that our daily kilometers are now 0, but don't worry, keep it pressed, and after a few more seconds you have your miles back over here, and you have the engine code displayed over here instead of the total mileage. So CFFB is the engine code in this vehicle, so we know precisely which engine is installed in this vehicle. And after 10 seconds or so, you will go back to your normal view. Over here we have our total mileage, and we have our daily trip. It's not reset, it's not 0, so it maintained the value over here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and see you soon.